Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to wash your hands properly according to the guidelines of the World Health Organization. Now let's start. First, wet hands with water. And now apply enough soap to cover all hand surfaces. Let's rub hand palms to palm. Now right palm over left dorsum with interlaced fingers and vice versa. Palm to palm with fingers interlaced. Back of fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. Rotational rubbing of left thumb clasped in right palm and vice versa. Rotational rubbing backwards and forwards with clasped fingers of right hand in left palm and vice versa. And now rinse hands with water. So now we are going to dry thoroughly with a single-use towel. And now we are going to use the same towel to turn off the tap. So you have clean hands and your hands are safe.